Hi, my name is Andrea and I work at the Cumming library. Today I want to talk about graphic novels for adults. I recently read a graphic novel by Allie Brosh called Solutions and Other Problems. I was really excited to read this book because I read her first graphic novel called Hyperbole and a Half and I loved it. It was full of colorful and quirky illustrations, hilarious depictions of dogs, and it talked about things like depression and anxiety, but in a funny and insightful way. Kirkus Reviews called her a connoisseur of the human condition. I fully expected Solutions and Other Problems, which was finally published after a 7-year hiatus, to be very similar. I was expecting humor and lighthearted shenanigans. And some of it was really funny, but what I didn't expect was the author's fears and vulnerability to be so prominently printed on the page. This memoir will make you think about mental illness and how it affects ourselves and our loved ones. It also explains why the author spent 7 years out of the spotlight, off the grid, holed up in her home and away from everything. This was a hefty read, both physically, it weighs about 5 pounds, and mentally. I think you will enjoy this if you like books by David Sedaris or Jenny Lawson. So next time you are in the library, check out Allie Brosh's Solutions and Other Problems. And remember, at FCPL, we know books. Thank you.